Medical termination of pregnancy is to get rid of unwanted pregnancy either due to casual unprotected intercourse or failure of the contraceptive used during coitus or rapes, and also essential in certain cases where continuation of the pregnancy could be harmful or even fatal either to the mother or to the fetus or both. Now, MTPs are considered relatively safe during the first trimester. First trimester is up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. Now, second trimester abortions are much more riskier. So, in here, the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amended Act 2017 was enacted by the Government of India with the intentions reducing the incidence of illegal abortions and consequent maternal mortality morbidity. Now, okay. If the pregnancy has lasted more than 12 weeks but fewer than 24 weeks, to register medical practitioners, and within the first 12 weeks, one registered medical practitionist. Okay, so this was it. Now, sexual transmitted diseases, STIs, or venereal diseases, or reproductive tract infections, RTI, STI, and VD both are the same. Gonorrhea simplex is genital herpes, chlamydia is genital warts, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, of course, HIV/AIDS. These are all sexual transmitted diseases in which infections like hepatitis B, HIV can also be transmitted by sharing of injection needles, surgical instruments, and with infected persons, transfusion of blood, or from an infected mother to the fetus too. Except for hepatitis B, genital herpes, and HIV infections, other diseases are completely curable if detected early and treated properly. Okay. Now, infertility. What is that? Infertility. The couples could be assisted to have children through certain special techniques commonly known as assisted reproductive technologies (ART). Now, it includes in vitro fertilizations, IVF, fertilization outside the body in almost similar conditions as that in the body. Now, this in vitro fertilizations followed by embryo transfer (ET) is one of such methods. Now, in this method, popularly known as test tube program, that is ovum from the wife donor female and sperm from the husband or donor male are collected and are induced to form zygote under stimulated conditions in the laboratory. The zygote or early embryos with up to 8 blastomeres. So zygote or early embryos with up to 8 blastomeres could then be transferred into the fallopian tube. So this is ZIFT, zygote intrafallopian transfer. And embryos with more than 8 blastomeres into the uterus, that is IUT, intrauterine transfer, to complete its further development.